Okay, so we're back. We're back. I did a couple of little things to the shop. We've now got one of our dipping cabinets sitting in front of the machine. This is a 3-hole dipping cabinet. We're only going to use one bucket right now. We use a 3.5 gallon round bucket, standard ice cream bucket. And this little pot here has got some sanitized water and a cloth in it. We use bleach to sanitize the machine at the factory. We don't recommend it long term because bleach will rust stainless steel. But to sanitize the machine, we're taking a cloth, and all we're doing is basically we're going to wipe out everything that we think that frozen custard is going to touch today. Yeah, so this will be scoops, buckets, you name it. Whatever you think is going to get frozen custard on it, whether it's a spade, a scoop, a blender, just give it a little wipe. And then we're going to put a little bit of sanitized water into the hopper. Now, because we're using bleach, we don't necessarily need to wait for this product to disinfect the barrel. A lot of the other sanitizers you'd use, certainly the commercial stuff, something like this, will actually tell you it's got to be, the solution's got to be in contact with the surface for a minute, 2 minutes, whatever. Bleach doesn't have that problem. The other problem with the staining or the rusting of the metal is bleach on a black t-shirt obviously ruins your t-shirt. So don't use bleach unless you really, really have to. But now we're going to lift this little valve up, and what's now happening is product is going into the barrel. Actually, bleach is going into the barrel. It's now coming into this tube, and we've got all those parts in there. If I hit the beater button, it's going to make a noise, the beater's going to start turning, and then you'll see something coming out the front. So if I crack open the front gate, you can now see the bleach coming out of that barrel. As I say, we are lucky that we can do this instantly. So all I'm going to do is run that bleach through there for a minute while I'm trying to find a plastic scraper. Once I find the plastic scraper, I will actually take that flow valve out. And what would normally happen on this on the machine with the new valve, this would twist, and this pin would lift up. But we're trying to do away with all of that. So that's really more to show you the control than actually what we're going to do. And then we're going to get as much of this water out of here as we can, knowing full well that it's bleached. And with this scraper, we're putting all that water down into the barrel. The machine is still running, and we've still got a little bit of water coming out. We now know that the barrel is sanitized. So we're going to turn that off. I'm then going to put some frozen custard into the barrel. Then I'll show you how to run that machine.